How's it doing?
Go ahead.
Ooh. They're racing up my arm.
Which one's winning?
This guy's winning by a long shot. Oh, he's gone. He went back to the tree. Please leave my children alone. They're making love to one another. Damn, he's stroking his face and everything. Ooh, this is getting saucy. He's rather impatient. Oh, there he goes. All right, in the mouth again. Hi. I'm Mr. Cicada Mouth. This is my mouth full of cicadas. See, they can't resist. They want to go back into my mouth. He's crawling back up. He wants another turn. Okay, since you're asking so politely. Okay, calm down. Oh. Oh, he wants out. Commitment. Here. You had fun. Where'd the other one go? I had another one. I don't know what happened to him. Oh, there he goes. You give them one kiss and they just run away from